Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by asserting control. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can talk to the phone. Once done, back up your data, full user backup and exported app settings, because we will change system components. Next, install ADB on your computer and confirm the device appears with a DB devices. If it does not, update drivers. This gives you the tools to inspect packages and execute the first uninstallation and disable commands safely. You will now hunt down ad services and trackers by listing packages via a DB shell PM list packages and filtering keywords like ad, ads, push, or tracker. Once you identify a candidate, disable it first using a DB shell PM disable user 0 followed by the package name. This lets you test for breakage. If the phone functions normally after a few hours, proceed to uninstall for the current user with a DB shell PM uninstall user 0. Finish by removing any leftover files carefully. Locate app and data paths, then use a DB shell RM with precise paths to avoid collateral damage. Once cleaned, reboot and monitor ad behavior across apps. If an essential service fails, re-enable it using a DB shell PM enable. If the device becomes unstable or fails to boot, restore your backup or reflash the stock image. Having that factory image and a recovery plan ready prevents permanent loss. One key tip: always test after disabling before full uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.